Say goodbye to the hotel. Come on,
Goodbye.
and see you again.
See you again, Ken. We're coming back here again, huh? Come on.
Say goodbye.
When we earn money, come on.
It's our checkout time.
Oh, I will not. I will not.
Oh, I will say to Papa, stop teasing na. Come on, let's go. It's time to go.
I will not.
We have to check our house and the kittens.
Ay,
The
what
kittens.
happened to the kittens?
They're going outside the house if we're not there. They will leave the house.
They kill it?
They will kill it. All the kittens. So we have to go now, okay? So we have to check the house, the kitten. God willing, we will come back
You want
here.
your kitten killed by the other kids? Oh, come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go.